200 people on a wall, shoulder to shoulder, elbowing each other for a bit of wall, to take the exact same photo as the 200 people next to them. This is the famous Santorini sunset, the one of all the postcards, the one everyone tells you that you have to see. We went to see it, and I'll be honest with you, I was right in the middle of that scrum. We both were. Here's the thing, everyone says for the sunset you go to Aegean. That's the spot. We decided not to go to Aegean, so we stayed in Fira instead, thinking we'd be clever. We were not clever. There was a scrum here as well. So the question I had, stood there, getting the occasional elbow in my back, was the same one you've probably got watching this. Is it actually worth it? And look, in fairness, when it goes, it goes. The sun dropping over the caldera, the whole sky going gold and pink and orange. Fira looks straight west, nothing between you and the horizon, and the sun just drops into the Aegean. It's stunning. It's pure dead brilliant. And here's everyone enjoying it. Well, enjoying it through a phone screen. Half of them watching it, half of them filming it, and a good few taking a selfie with it over their shoulder, just to prove they were there, but not just quite looking at it. And it's not just the folk on the wall. Look out in the bay. Even the cruise ships are jockeying for position, each one trying to park 2,000 passengers in front of the exact same sun. The whole island's elbowing for one photo, even the boats. And before you think I'm standing above all of this, judging, I'm not. I joined in. You know the move, the airport boarding gate technique. You don't push exactly, you just slowly, politely, relentlessly occupy a space. Dead ahead stare, no eye contact. Because if you don't acknowledge them, it's not really rude, is it? I got my photo. And then, it's gone. Down into the sea. The famous bit lasts about 90 seconds. And then the sun's away. And a couple of 100 folk are still standing at the wall. The sun's down and the show's over. Nobody's told them. They're still looking at the photo of the thing that was happening right there in front of them 10 seconds ago. I can't show you the crowd leaving, because I was one of the first out. So, is the Santorini sunset worth it? Here's my honest answer, from a man who fought for his spot like everyone else. If you don't need that Instagram postcard from here, aye, away you go. Seriously, I'm not telling you what to do. It's your holiday. But here's what I worked out standing at that wall. A sunset's a sunset. It's the sun going down. Same as it does over Edinburgh. The same it does over a car park. Or over your back garden. The one over your back garden's free. This one came with some ninja moves and a wall full of elbows. It's bonny. Genuinely bonny. But it didn't change my life. The hype tells you it will, and it won't. It's the same sun everyone's got. But I'll tell you what it did do. It gave me a memory. Not the photo. I've barely looked at the photo. It was the 90 seconds I nearly missed because I was too busy filming it. The missus standing right there beside me, and me watching it through a screen. So if you go, and you should, it's lovely. Do me one favour. Get your photo, then put the phone down, and just watch the bloody thing. That's the bit worth the trip. That's what we did in the end. And it was lovely. That bit I do again tomorrow.